Every great startup begins with solving a real problem. In this lesson, we'll explore how to identify market needs and spot trends that signal opportunity. The first step is to become a keen observer of the world around you. Pay attention to frustrations, inefficiencies, and gaps in everyday life. These pain points, big or small, often hold the seeds of powerful startup ideas. Whether it's a process that feels outdated or a task that takes too much time, ask yourself, is there a better way? Listening to users is key. Dive into forums, reviews, and social media discussions. Join communities related to industries you're interested in. What are people complaining about? What do they wish existed? Real user conversations can be a goldmine for uncovering unmet needs. Trends offer another layer of insight. A trend isn't just a fleeting fad, it's a sign of evolving behaviors, values, or technologies. Think about the rise of remote work, sustainable living, or AI in daily life. These shifts open up entirely new markets and change what customers expect from products. Use data to your advantage. Tools like Google Trends, Reddit, Product Hunt, and industry reports can help you spot patterns. What searches are increasing? What products are gaining traction? What industries are attracting investment? The answers often reveal where the market is heading. Successful founders don't just react to trends, they anticipate them. They look at what's happening in adjacent industries, emerging technologies, or changing regulations. They ask, if this is true today, what might be true tomorrow? Importantly, focus on problems worth solving. The best market opportunities often lie at the intersection of a widespread pain point, a growing trend, and your own insight or skill set. It's not just about finding any problem, it's about finding one that matters and that you're uniquely equipped to solve. Remember, the goal isn't just to chase what's hot, it's to deeply understand people's needs and deliver value in a way others haven't. With the right insight, your startup idea can be both timely and timeless. Let's dig in and start seeing the world through the lens of opportunity.